Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to our knowledge sharing series. This time we're coming up with the files because this has been a very interesting and topic in demand by a lot of students. A lot of people wanted to know around files because most of the time files are used very widely and being ignored, right? Because there are so many things associated with files. So with this series, what we are going to do is we will be talking around the topics that I have listed here. So, what are the files and where we use, right? Then we'll take a deep dive at the data model, how these files are stored, where those are stored, whether they maintain any history around it, okay, what all details it stores. All those things we'll be looking in this. Then we'll also see what is the lightning file upload versus input file tag. This is when where we need a customization, right? So there are both the things. With the standard out of box feature we can manage files, as well as in case you need a business specific requirement where you need to handle files in different way basis the business requirement. Then there is an way to do that, right? So that we'll be taking a look at. We'll be also discussing about the sample use cases. The next important thing is when we upload files, if you want to deal or do something by reading the files on the fly, right, within JavaScript, and if it goes to Apex, then how to access that content, in which format the file data is being stored, what are the different types that files are accepted, how to share files, what is the how to manage the access of the file, right? If you want to share file with some external user, how to do that. A lot of things around files, a lot of small important topics that will make your life easy, being a designer or a developer or an admin or a business analyst or a solution architect. You should be knowing all those details. There are important things about limitations of files. What are the different APIs we use, right? Bulk, whether it may be a bulk API, REST API, SOAP API, right? What are different challenges that we see? What are different sizes that are allowed with respect to individual APIs? All those simple yet very impactful, important discussions that we are going to do as a part of this series. So stay tuned, and we'll try to make our best effort to make files a familiar thing for you, whoever is working with the files and attachments in Salesforce. So this is it for this session. But yeah, with this series, we'll try to cover up all these topics at a level where you can understand the things better while you are working with those files in the Salesforce. Thank you.